Hi, I'm Arthur, author of DSO plugin for Figma. The Design System Organizer enables you to manage common design elements with /name and convention without a lot of tedious work. I'm here in Figma and there is a design system that I'm working on. And now I'm going to put in order my components. Let's launch the Design System Organizer plugin. A Components tab is selected by default, and there are also Paint, Text, Effect and Grid Style tabs below. I see all the components of my design system like a folder tree. When I'm selecting a group, I go to the page and zoom to the place of the components inside this group. I'm just noticing that there are several ungrouped elements in my components frame. With the group option, I can fix this in just a few clicks. I'm selecting several components at the Figma stage, and they are selected simultaneously in the plugin window. Now I'm using the context menu with the right mouse button and then selecting the group tool. A new group has just been created, and I'm renaming it to the frame. You can see that all renaming of components in Figma happened like magic behind. Let's do more. I'm going to move my frames group to the other group, because it's not often used for me. I'm just dragging the frames group into the other group, and again all the tedious renaming happens automatically. To move folders, I can also use the Move To icon on the top selection toolbar. This is convenient when the folders are far apart and moving can take longer time. DSO is also very useful when you just need to rename something or experiment with different names. I'm selecting an item and using the Enter or R shortcut to enable rename mode. Then I'm changing the name to the input, because it now works better for me. Let's go ahead and do some update with styles. I go to the Paint Styles tab, and there are my styles grouped by color name. Let's say I want to change them and have only primary and secondary color groups instead. I'm selecting multiple groups by clicking the first and then the last with Shift-K entered. By choosing Ungroup tool in the context menu, I expand all the styles from their groups. And now I select several color styles to group them in the primary group, and all the rest in the secondary. Another great feature is duplication of components and styles. Let me show you how it works. I have a button in different states, and now I need to add additional focused and disabled states. I select existing states and duplicate them by entering D shortcut key. It must be remembered that in Figma all shortcuts work when the plugin window is focused. New component masters are displayed at the top right of the original ones. I'm moving them to a preferred location and renaming them to a focused and disabled. Then I'm doing some graphic updates, adding transparency to disabled states and stroke around the focused button. So simple. In the same way, I can also quickly duplicate existing styles. I'm pressing the D shortcut key and the duplicated styles appears below. This can be especially useful when you need to update only a few properties from the original style. Finally, the Design System Organizer helps me a lot when I work on the /naming convention. I really hope that DSO will save your time. Bye.